Do you know that study shows that Malaysia produces 67,098 tons and 133,750 tons of pineapple leaves and pineapple peel waste, which can be a valuable raw materials for us to preserve the environment. Therefore, we have created a small convenient kit which can solve daily everyday problems and also give a massive impact on our life. The objective of Ananas Comosus is for us to extend the usage of pineapple peel waste in Malaysia. Secondly, is for us to suggest another option in maximizing the nutrient content in filtered water. Thirdly, is for us to propose another way to maintain the freshness of fruits and vegetables without changing its taste. And lastly, we hope to also create a sugar and salt substitute which can be safely consumed by diabetic and hypertension individuals.
Wow.
Firstly, the pineapples were cut, washed, and then left to dry. Next, all of the flesh from the pineapple skin were removed by using a knife. The clean pineapple skin were left to dry in a ventilated oven at 60 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. After 48 hours, the pineapple skin were removed from the oven. Any thorns left from the dried pineapple skin were peeled off. This is to remove any impurities that could affect the effectiveness of the product later. The dried pineapple skin were put into a pulverizer for 5 minutes to be grounded to a fine powder. After that, the fine powder obtained was sieved using a strainer to remove any huge chunks left. The sieved pineapple powder was collected into a container.
Into the process of making this kit. First of all, to make the pineapple leaf paper, we need to extract the fibre. This process is to make sure we get a smooth paper. After that, fibre and water are added to the blender until it forms like mush. The slurry mixture is poured over a filter cloth. We remove the excess water by damping the sponge onto it and leave the slurry mixture dry under the sun for 3 hours. After it is dry, the paper is gently removed from the filter cloth. After that, we cut the paper into smaller rectangles and pentagon size and sew it.
Some benefits include insect repelling. This is because the pineapple powder can repel insects like ants by covering the sweet scents with it. Other than that, it can also act as a natural preservative. This is because it has antioxidant properties and have the same quality as sugar and salt, but are able to preserve the texture of the fresh produce. Thirdly, the product is a great alternative for hypertension and diabetic person. Indeed, salt and sugar are a very regular preservative which are commonly used to preserve fresh goods. Despite that, salt and sugar can be problematic towards hypertension and diabetic person when consumed in high quantity. But fear not, our product does not contain sugar and salt, so it is completely safe to be consumed by them. Lastly, it can also act as an additional nutrient. Pineapple contains manganese and beta-carotene that helps to strengthen the bone. Also, it helps to ease digestion. To prove its amazing antioxidant property, we did a test with 4 slices of apple. The first one is to control, while the second one is the apple with salt, the third one is the apple with sugar, and the last one is apple tested with our pineapple powder from the Ananas Comosus All in one kit. After 1 hour, the first slice of apple, which is the control, turns brown, while the second one, which is tested with salt, does not turn brown but did not retain its rigidity. The same one goes for the third slice, which is tested with sugar. And for the last slice, which is tested with the pineapple powder, the apple slice does not turn brown and are able to retain its rigidity. This shows the effectiveness of the pineapple powder from Ananas Comosus All in one kit as an antioxidant for fresh produce.
The method in applying our kit is that it can act as a water filter by placing 2 sheets of puff paper, activated powder and pineapple peel powder by layer and flowing water through it. Moreover, the pineapple peel powder can also be sprinkled on fresh fruits and vegetables to maintain their freshness. Lastly, the puff paper can also be used as tissue as it has high water absorbency.
As our final product, this is Ananas Comosus All in one kit. This is Ananas Comosus powder. We already package it in this small tiny bottle, so it makes it very easy to bring it anywhere. And to use it, you just need to pull this cap and sprinkle it on your food. And this is the puff paper that we mentioned earlier. This puff paper is ready to use as a filter paper and as a tissue. Ananas Comosus is definitely an efficacious, innovative product which is inclusive in creating a way for every individual to enjoy their fresh foods in a well-preserved manner without worrying about the taste difference as well as the sugar and salt content. Therefore, it is a great food antioxidant as a salt and sugar substitute which can solve the prominent problem in Malaysia of individuals with hypertension and diabetes. It also acts as a great filtrator which can be used easily outdoors.
Therefore, in the future, for further development, we wish to commercialize Ananas Comosus further and also use more different parts of pineapple plants such as the roots, the flesh and also the thorns into other different uses for us to solve everyday problems.